Welcome to maths class. Today we will learn fractions. Fraction is used to represent part or portion of whole. It represents equal parts of a whole. A fraction mainly has two parts, numerator and denominator. So this is an example. In the first one I ate 6 by 8 of pizza, while in the second one I ate 4 by 8 of pizza. Numerator and denominator. Numerator represents the total number of parts taken into account. Top number in fraction is numerator. Denominator represents total parts in the fraction. Bottom number in the fraction is the denominator. Here I have 8, 3 by 4 of a pizza. Numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. Equal parts I have eaten, while the denominator represents the total parts in which the uh, whole is divided with. Let us understand how to add fractions. For adding fractions, we have to make the denominators of the fractions the same. The first case is with same denominators. For example, 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Example, half plus 2 by 5. Here we have to make the denominator same by multiplying them, and the final result we get is 9 upon 10. Let us look at one more example. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, that is 4 by 5. One more example, half plus 3 by 7. Here we have to multiply to make the denominator same, and at last we get answer as 13 by 14. Let's look at one more example. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 4 by 4 or 1. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5. Let's look at one more example. If I eat half apple now and half apple 1 hour later, so I eat 1 apple in total. Let us understand how to subtract the fractions. Here also we have to make the denominators the same. First case, that is same denominator. Like for example, 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6, we get 3 by 6. We can also simplify this further as half. Second case is with different denominators. Like for example, 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. Here we have to make the denominators the same. We get the answer as 3. Example, half minus 3 by 8, that is 1 by 8. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Some common errors to be avoided. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is not 0 by 5, it is 1 by 5. So you should keep this all things in mind to avoid the errors. Three parts: proper fraction, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. A fraction in which denominator is greater than the numerator. For example, 5 by 6. Improper fraction. Improper fraction is a type of fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 8 by 6. Mixed fraction is a type of fraction in which whole number is added to proper fraction. For example, 1, 2 by 6. Improper fraction is 7 by 3. Mixed fraction is 2, 1 by 3. Example of proper fraction, 7 by 15. Here 7 is less than 15. Example of mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is whole number plus proper fraction. So 2, 1 by 7. Multiplying fractions. Let us understand how to multiply the fractions. To multiply fractions, there are three main steps. First step is to multiply numerator by example, 3 by 4 into 2 by 5, we get the answer as 6 by 20. Example, half into 3 by 4, we get the answer as 3 by 8. Example, 2 by 5 into 3 by 4 is 6 by 20. This can be simplified further as 3 by 20. Division of fraction. For example, 4 by 15 divided by 2 by 3, we get answer as 2 by 5. There are mainly three steps to divide a fraction. First step is to find the reciprocal, means to reverse the numerator and denominator of the second fraction. Next step is to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator and simplify if the let us recall what we have learned so far. Fraction is a part of whole. It contains numerator and denominator. We can add or subtract fractions by making denominators the same. We can also multiply fractions by multiplying numerator and denominator by denominator. We can divide fractions by taking reciprocal and then multiplying it. Fractions are of three types: proper, improper, and mixed fractions.